Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the use of whose with apostrophe s and whose. There is a big difference between the two words whose and whose. The difference between the two. Whose. This is whose with apostrophe s. Whose is a contraction of who plus is that equals to whose, who plus has that equals to whose. Here we use apostrophe comma and then s. Let's see some examples now. Number 1. Who's on the phone, which can also be read as who is on the phone. Who's coming for the evening show, which can also be read as who is coming for the evening show. Who has my science book, which can be written as who apostrophe s, then my science book. Who has given me the money for the school trip. Here again, who has can be written as who apostrophe s. Whose. Whose is the possessive form of who. For example, whose book is this? Whose bag is yellow in color? She is the girl whose house is behind the school. Choose the correct word. Number 1. Dash bag is this. Now the options are who, whose, whose. Choose the correct word. Whose bag is this? Number 2. I don't know dash in the office. Number A. Who, B. Whose, C. Whose, D. Whose. Then the correct answer is whose. I don't know who is in the office. Number 3. I don't know dash office is this. The options are number A. Who, number B. Whose, C. Whose, D. Whose. The correct answer is whose. I don't know whose office is this. Number 4. Dash got an extra eraser. The options are who, number A, number B. Whose, number C. Whose, number D. Whose. And the correct answer is who got an extra eraser. Number 5. The teacher need to find out dash pencil case is this. Now the options are A. Who, B. Whose, C. Whose, and D. Whose. The correct option is the teacher needs to find out whose pencil case is this. Number 6. Dash mother is this. The options are who, number B. Whose, C. Whose, D. Whose. And the correct answer is whose mother is this. Number 7. Dash in the house. Option A. Who, option B. Whose, option C. Whose, option D. Whose. And the correct answer is who's in the house. Here it is who is in the house. Number 8. Dash calling. Option A. Who, option B. Whose, option C. Whose, and option D. Whose. And the correct answer is who is calling. Number 9. Dash mobile is this. Option A. Who, option B. Whose, option C. Whose, and option D. Whose. And the correct answer is whose mobile is this. Number 10. The band dash music I like are performing live today. Option A. Who, option B. Whose, option C. Whose, and option D. Whose. And the correct answer is the band whose music I like are performing live tonight. I hope you all have understood this lesson. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do press the subscribe button to get the update of my upcoming videos. Thank you.